The High Court has annulled the bankruptcy of a German man who claimed his residence was a modest two-bed house in County Carlow after evidence emerged he had been leasing a mansion in Spain for €8,500 a month. Dennis Melcher previously spent time in prison for customs offences linked to tobacco smuggling and claimed he came to Ireland in 2023 for a fresh start. Last year, he convinced the High Court that Ireland was now his centre of main interests, or COMI as it is known in legal shorthand. This is a prerequisite for bankruptcy in this jurisdiction. Mr. Melcher came within days of being able to walk away from debts of close to €8 million. But he lost out on a clean slate when a legal dispute forced him to disclose his leasing of the 500 square metre property with its own swimming pool in Espluge de Llobregat, near Barcelona. The mansion is worth in excess of €2.5 million and located in an exclusive area that has been home to celebrities such as pop star Shakira and World Cup winning footballers Lamine Yamal, Gerard Piqué and Andres Iniesta. In court, Mr. Melcher denied he had been living there at a time when he was supposed to be in Ireland and claimed he leased the property for his ex-wife and their children, but his account was contradicted by the landlord. The High Court also heard evidence about undisclosed assets before annulling the bankruptcy for material non-disclosure. Mr. Melcher is one of dozens of Germans who have filed for bankruptcy in Dublin in recent years, following reforms that have made Ireland one of the most attractive jurisdictions for personal insolvency in Europe. Legal and Companies Office filings show most of these bankruptcies have been facilitated by Kanzlei Rieger and Partner, a German firm specialising in asset protection and EU insolvency. It helps German nationals relocate, set up companies to provide themselves with employment, and file for bankruptcy in Ireland. It refers clients to accountancy and business advisory firm Zynaden for advice on personal insolvency before applications are made to the court. Kanzlei Rieger insists its activities are lawful, but it is operating under a cloud at present, as its CEO, Cornelius Rieger, is being investigated on suspicion of fraud by a prosecutor in Munich. He said the firm's work was lawful and that he did not expect to face an indictment. The Munich prosecutor's office said its investigation is ongoing and Mr. Rieger enjoys the presumption of innocence. Mr. Melcher was one of Kanzlei Rieger's clients. His case has raised questions about other German bankruptcies, with official assignee in bankruptcy Gerard Gill saying it is one of a number with a trend and commonality in details. For example, 82 COMI cases, including the Melcher one, have come through Zynaden. In 21 of these, bankrupts provided the same address, Ullard Holiday Homes in Borris, County Kilkenny. The Irish Independent has established that their leases were provided by a Latvian sister company of Kanzlei Rieger. In 42 cases, including Mr. Melcher's, debtors set up an Irish company of which they were the majority shareholder and an employee. 33 of these were assisted by Zynaden. Some 31 of these companies had the same company secretary, and 23 had the same registered address. Personal insolvency practitioner Mark Ryan of Zynaden declined to comment on the official assignee's observations or the Melcher case, saying he was constrained by professional obligations of confidentiality, data protection legislation and regulatory duties. Meanwhile, Mr. Rieger said his firm had no interest in fabricating facts or in leading people into insolvency unjustly. You can follow this story and more on the Irish Independent.